It's almost done. This year is almost over. Thank goodness. Because the last thing we need is another 2020. Hi. Hey, I hope everyone is having a great holiday season? Time? I don't know what you call it. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Recap Monday. I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow on the old social, or you can give the channel an old subscribe, or a new subscribe, or just a regular age subscribe. It doesn't really matter. They're all the same. What am I talking about? Hello, pals. If that first 30 seconds of the video didn't rope you in, then I don't know what you're doing, because it definitely didn't. So, see ya. Bye. It's Recap Monday. This is going to be a bi-weekly thing now, because I need to be able to have enough boxes to do recaps. So, but this one we're doing is a doozy. This is actually a really good box. This was a good box to like dive deep into. Today we're going to be recapping a $1,050 Soul Supremacy beater box. This box was one of the very first from like their first wave of pandemic boxes. This was also one of the very first high ticket boxes I grabbed from Soul Supremacy after they had to kind of scale down their operations because of the ongoing COVID pandemic. Basically, Derek and his team were definitely not getting as many like buyouts and like collections and stuff. So boxes were at a severe premium. Like there were weeks where they were releasing like between 10 and 15 boxes, which is, I mean, usually on a good, even right now on a good week, they have like 30 to 35, but I've never seen a week where there was like under 50, to be honest with you. And if there was under 50, he would definitely let us know on Twitter. I definitely try to avoid $1,000 plus boxes, but because of that whole situation, I just couldn't be picky, so I grabbed this one anyway, and I'm kind of glad I did. I bought the box towards the end of May. I opened it on May 30th, and the video went live on June 5th. And the only reason I'm saying that is because one of the shoes actually sold before the video went live because it was a dead stock pair without a box, so I could just list it on Goat really fast. I'll be honest, I didn't really comprehend how well this box did until I did like all the data collection and like deep diving into why and how this box performed well. No, that sentence didn't make sense. Whatever, you understand what I'm saying though, I hope. So here you go. Here's a $1,050 Soul Supremacy beater box. See you in like a minute and a half. No box, a size 10, some kind of Hirachi. It's all red. I can't tell if these are worn or not. Doesn't look like it. It's an Air Vapor Max Plus in a size 9. There's no box. This is a Jordan, God, I forget it's like a Jordan TXT or something like that. It's when you take a Jordan 11 and add it to a Jordan 1, I guess. It's got a patent upper. This is also a size 12. These are the Hall of Fame Jordan 1s. They have a bunch of stats all over the side panel. Patent mudguard, leather vamp, white outsole. So this is a Y3 Quasi High in a size 8. These are like upscale, whatever, fashion Adidas sneakers. They do look kind of nice, I will say that. But it's a Y3 runner, the Quasi High. It's like a core black and white kind of colorway. Got an Ultra Boost in a damaged box. This is an Ultra Boost Limited in a size 8.5. These I actually know because I know a lot of people really love this colorway. This is one of the original 1.0s. This is the cream Ultra Boost 1.0. They seem to be in okay shape. Size 8.5 Jordan 3 Retro. It's like a black cement from 2011. That's exactly what it is. They're in okay shape. There's definite midsole paint cracking. Not so much on the lateral side, but on the medial side for sure, in the heel. Got a size 9 Nike Air Max 90 OG. A lot of 9 in there. Ooh, cool. These I can get down with. This is the 2015 retro of the OG Infrared Air Max 90. I believe these are coming out in holiday again this year. Got a size 9 Kobe 11 Elite Low. These are worn very lightly though. This is the Kobe 11 in the Oreo colorway. Good shape on the outsole, not much drag. Got a size 12 Yeezy Boost 750. It's summer and it's a size 12 and it's an Adidas. Hope you get comfortable on my shelf for a very long time, friend. At least it's a good colorway. They're worn. Zippers work, and there's dust bags too. Got a size 12 pair of the Yeezy 750 in the triple black colorway. Hey, welcome back. This is one of those really rare boxes that sold primarily on the website. So there were 10 pairs, 4 of them sold on GOAT, 6 of them sold on the website. Still, that's about half, but it's very rare that I sell that many on the website. The last pair that sold were the Cream 1.0s, and they sold on July 17th. So that gives the turnaround on this box about 7 weeks, so under 2 months, which is just absolutely shocking, given the fact that this was an Adidas heavy box, and the money shoe in this box was an Adidas as well. After I got this box in this video, if you would have come up to me and said, hey, SB Mitch, this box is gonna sell in 7 weeks and is gonna do really well, I would have thrown cloves of garlic at you because you were obviously some kind of futuristic vampire here to steal my eyesight or something. The estimated market value on this box was extremely high at $2,150, which is more than double its initial cost of $1,060. When you take that amount, minus the box cost, minus the shipping fees, and minus the membership fees, we're left with an estimated gross profit of $1,090. 1090, as you know, is the numerical symbol for the mullet. Then, if we assume that they all sell on GOAT, that leaves us with an estimated net profit of $909.29, or a return on investment of an absolutely staggering 85.78%. I don't have any cute quips or anything about that number. It's just super huge.
That's what she said.
I didn't mean to do that. Now let's pull up the old handy beater box spreadsheet that you guys have come to know and love, or feel nothing about because it's a spreadsheet. Looking at the far right column that's designated for the actual gross sales of each individual pair, the total on all these came to $2,024, which ended up being at $126 less than the estimated gross, which is not bad. We'll talk about that later a little bit. After subtracting, shipping and processing fees, the actual net on this box totaled out to $1,823.86. Then take out the box cost, we end up with a net profit of $763 to give this Adidas heavy Salt Supremacy beater box an impressive return on investment of 72.06%. That is a number that I personally rarely see with beater boxes, especially ones that are Adidas heavy like this. Yeah, I know, I keep on saying that. I thought long and hard about it, and there are 2 interesting facts about this box. It's not really interesting facts about the box, it's kind of just interesting tidbits about the outcome. Number 1, let the shoes sell themselves. Let's be honest, this box sold itself. Yeah, I cleaned them up and took pictures and put them on an app and a website, but that's not really hard work. I don't know if it was demand or how they were priced, which isn't really anything I did. I just kind of mirrored what the market value was for each individual pair, and they still sold. Or if it was just dumb luck, but I'm astounded. That's a good adverb for this. I'm astounded with how well this box did with such a minimal amount of effort. Which is actually how much effort I like to put into things is minimal, so it worked out for me. Number 2, this box was a gigantic ego check. I specifically remember while I was editing this video, going there's literally no way that any of these pairs are gonna sell for anything close to their market value. Because I'm a gigantic adult baby when I get boxes that are heavy on Adidas. And look what happened. This box absolutely crushed from a return standpoint and a turnaround standpoint. Both important fronts, this box did really well. Pancake is having a day, holy cow. And I'll be honest, I'm not the kind of person that shies away from admitting when they're wrong, because it happens a lot. And it's really the only way you're gonna learn from anything. But I've really never been so happy about being dead wrong about a beater box in my entire life before, because this box returned to 72%. That's crazy. And the whole oh, they won't sell for resale value is it's proven by this video that that's just a bunch of horse apples, because this box did really well. Those 750s sold for $850 in June. What? So if you needed any more proof that I'm a huge whiny idiot, watch this video, and then watch the box and then watch this video and compare the numbers, because it's all there. Plus, like, my whole bit about Adidas and how I don't like it and how it sucks is like, that's just something I do to get a reaction from YouTube commenters who probably have like an anime themed wardrobe and no concept of how grammar and spelling works. See, I just did it right there. It's because I'm unhappy with myself that I make fun of others. So this box did awesome. Like, I'm when a box with this much Adidas and a money shoe this Adidas does this well, like, it's something I need to put focus on, I guess. I'm trying to find a box that really sucked for one of these videos, but it's kind of hard, because that's why I only buy Soul Supremacy beater boxes, because they always do well. Like, there's no reason to buy other boxes because they do so well, and I like having some kind of stable profit coming in because I have bills to pay, because I'm an adult baby. That's how that box did. If you have any questions about how any like follow-up stuff, like, throw them down below. I know a lot of you guys really like this series. I'm trying to do it bi-weekly so I don't, number one, get tired of doing it, and number two, make sure that each video has as much information about each individual box as possible. So thank you to everyone who came to both live things last week. That was really fun. I'm gonna try and do a live box unboxing every month, because it's just kind of cool to like connect with you guys. I just have to figure out a way how to do it like with better quality, I guess, and so I'm not going into my phone like an old man. So have a good rest of your day, have a good week, and I will see you next time. And until then, take care of each other, and remember to keep sneakers fun, because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.